It's a fast-paced market, no doubt. And when you go to sell your house, does curb appeal still really matter? Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team of Keller Williams in Kansas City, and it's a pleasure to bring you this new tip and information on selling your house and curb appeal. First, curb appeal doesn't matter anymore in a hot market is a myth. The truth is it does matter in this market and every market, and here's why. Homes with high curb appeal sell for an average of 7% more than similar homes with a blah average exterior. So there are a lot of homes on the market that percent even doubles to 14%. Bottom line, if you want top dollar for your home, mow the lawn, spread that fresh mulch, add a fun color to your door, add some plants to add additional season color in your landscaping as well as your front porch. Oh, and one more thing. If you're worried about cash flow when you're prepping your home to sell, you can breathe easy because according to NAR, the National Association of Real Estate, 100% of costs related to landscape maintenance, tree care make their way right back into your pocket as long as you haven't done over what the neighborhood is typical for having for that landscaping. Ready to sell or just curious what you need to do to maximize your selling profits? Contact me today or message below. We'd be happy to set up a time to talk to you about what our current housing market is and how to get the top dollar in selling your home.